How to change wallpaper on iPad. Open up your settings. From here, you want to scroll down until you see the option wallpaper and click on that. From here, you will see the option add new wallpaper. You can also select it from like your current lineup by scrolling. But as you guys can see, I don't have much options, so I will just click on add new wallpaper. From here, I can choose it from any option I want, or I can just click on the photos option at the top right corner. Once I click on it, I can choose it from my gallery. But for now, I'm just going to choose a default option provided by Apple to me because that's what I like. So I'm just going to go for the classic, this looking option over here under collections. Once I do that, I can click on OK. From here, I can customize anything I want. After everything is done, I can just click on add at the top right. And I can click on set as a wallpaper pair at the bottom. And I'm good to go. That's how you guys can change wallpaper on iPad. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.